What really happens on Christmas Day? Christmas Day is a special day celebrated by millions of people around the world every year. On this day, families wake up early and feel excited because the atmosphere is full of joy and hope. Many people decorate their homes with lights, trees, and colorful ornaments to create a warm feeling. Children often look forward to opening gifts that are placed under the Christmas tree. In many homes, people prepare a special breakfast and spend time talking and laughing together. Christmas Day is mainly about sharing love, time, and happiness with others. For many families, Christmas Day is also a time for traditions that are passed down from generation to generation. Some people go to church in the morning to remember the birth of Jesus and reflect on peace and kindness. Others stay at home and enjoy quiet moments with their loved ones. Special meals are prepared, and cooking becomes an important part of the day. Families often eat together and share stories about the past year. These simple traditions help people feel connected and thankful. Christmas Day is not only about gifts and food, but also about helping and caring for others. Many people choose this day to help those in need by donating food, clothes, or money. Acts of kindness, even small ones, can make a big difference during this time. People often send messages or make phone calls to friends and family they cannot visit. This helps everyone feel closer, even if they are far away. The true spirit of Christmas is about giving love and support. Around the world, Christmas Day is celebrated in different ways, but the main idea is very similar everywhere. Some countries celebrate with big parties, while others prefer calm and peaceful gatherings. Music, songs, and movies about Christmas are common and help create a joyful mood. People take time to relax and enjoy the moment without rushing. Christmas Day reminds us to slow down and appreciate the people in our lives. In the end, what really happens on Christmas Day is that hearts come closer together. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share, comment, and follow us for more.